fun to see how Sprunki and Sanrio characters blend together to create new heroes. Write their names in the comments below.
Chasing rainbows, touching skies, with a sparkle in our eyes. Sprunky meets Sanrio, colors collide, watch the magic come alive. Sprunky meets Sanrio, hearts will bloom in a bright neon life. Giggles bubble like sweet soda fizz, in a wonderland where joy is bliss. Let's paint a mural with a smile, and let love linger for a while. Sprunky meets Sanrio, colors collide, watch the magic come alive. Sprunky meets Sanrio, hearts will bloom in a bright neon life. Bears and kittens prance around on a candy-colored playground. Sprunky meets Sanrio today, together we'll make dreams okay. Sprunky meets Sanrio, colors collide, watch the magic come alive. Sprunky meets Sanrio, hearts will bloom in a bright neon life. Gummy bears and jelly beans dance in a world of endless romance. Chasing rainbows, touching skies, with a sparkle in our eyes. Sprunky meets Sanrio, colors collide, watch the magic come alive. Sprunky meets Sanrio.
Thank you so much for watching. Now tell us in the comments, who do you love more, Sprunki or Sanrio? We can't wait to see your answers.